Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for BSc Nursing. First, identify your unique learning style, whether visual, auditory, or kinesthetic, to tailor your study approach effectively. Next, develop a realistic study schedule, allocating specific times for each subject and topic. This structured approach ensures consistent progress and prevents last-minute cramming. Finally, incorporate active recall and spaced repetition into your routine to enhance memory retention and understanding of complex concepts. Let's get started. To master nursing concepts, begin by breaking down large topics into smaller, more digestible sections. This makes complex information less overwhelming and easier to absorb. Next, create concept maps and diagrams to visually connect different ideas and processes, which aids in deeper understanding. Regularly practice with past exam questions and clinical scenarios to apply your knowledge and identify areas needing improvement. This hands-on approach builds confidence and prepares you for real-world situations. Remember to review your notes frequently. Effective time management is crucial for BSc Nursing students. Allocate specific time blocks for each subject daily, ensuring you cover all necessary material without feeling rushed. It's equally important to take short, regular breaks to prevent burnout and maintain focus throughout your study sessions. Prioritize adequate sleep and good nutrition, as these are fundamental for optimal cognitive function and overall well-being. A balanced approach helps you sustain energy and concentration, making your study efforts more productive and enjoyable. Leverage all available resources to enhance your learning journey. Form study groups with peers to discuss challenging topics, share different perspectives, and reinforce your understanding. Don't hesitate to consult your professors and mentors for clarification on complex subjects or for career guidance. They are valuable assets. Remember, consistent effort and smart study habits will lead to success in your BSc Nursing program. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Good luck with your studies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.